we learned paper mache using balloon as a mold. You can use different objects as your mold and you can create your mold. Now today we use balloon. With this mold, what objects you can create is what we did today was a hat. This is a lampshade using the same balloon base. Now if you use a different size of balloon, if this is the size of the balloon and this shape, you can prepare a fish, a pig or anything. It's your creativity. So this is how the mold for the paper mache is prepared using only balloon. Today we are going to make a paper mache hat. Paper mache means using newspaper. We'll make strips of paper, newspaper, and prepare a mold using different objects. For the hat we will use balloon. Now this is made of only paper. This is only paper. So how to make this hat with papers? First we will take a balloon, blow the balloon, tie. Now when you blow the balloon, you have to decide on the size of your head. What size should be the head? Now this part and this part should be same. So decide, blow the balloon as per your size of the head. Now after blowing the balloon, take a cream or any oil, just put it on the base of the balloon. So that the paper will not stick to the balloon and you can easily remove it. Spread the cream all over the balloon. You can use oil, butter or any body lotion. So after applying the cream, take a bowl, take some Fevicol, you take some Fevicol. You will need good quantity of Fevicol because you need to go on putting the paper strips. At least 3 to 4 layers we need. So take Fevicol. Then take a newspaper. Keep your paper strips ready. The paper strips could be of any size, big, small. Keep it ready with you. Now do the Fevicol work on a plastic sheet so that when you are sticking, it will not stick to the paper. Now take strip, take some glue, put it all over the strips. go on pasting. Just next to each other, you can overlap, cover the whole area. Go on doing it. If you want, you can even use a Fevicol brush if you don't want to make it messy. You can use a brush. Go on applying the Fevicol all over the strip of the paper and put it. So you have to make one layer, then again in the second layer you can do this all together, one layer, then two layer, three layer and four layer. So you have to decide how hard it is after 3 layers and 4 layers, but 4 layers sufficient to make it hard. So you will cover the half of the balloon. So this is the last layer. So now you will get a mold ready for the cap or any headgear you want to prepare. So once your mold is ready, now what you have to do is you can burst the balloon, take away the balloon, and your mold is ready. Now you can make anything out of this. You can make a bowl, you can make a face of different animals. So it is your creativity. Now today we will make a cap. Now when your base is ready, you just need a proper circle. So I will mark the circle, you cut it. Once your base is ready, draw a circle around the cap, around your mold. Just cut it. Cut it only till the marking. Then just fold it. fold it up to the marking. Now, see, all these folds are ready. Now we are going to make layers on it. So, and this layer should be not this hard. 2 to 3 layers is sufficient for this base. Now, keep your paper strips ready. You can use a brush. Now, on this, go on sticking. Now, you need a plastic sheet when you do this work. Otherwise, if you keep paper or a cloth, then the paper will stick to it. So be careful that you have a plastic sheet below your artwork. So go on giving the layers. Now the size you can decide how big you want. The paper strip, vertical, horizontal, any direction. This way. So give at least 3 layers. All over. So after the base of the cap, it will look like this. Give 1 layer from the front and 1 layer from the back side. So 3 layers is sufficient to make it hard. After this, you can decide the length, how much do you want. Just do a marking. Draw a circle around. Then you can cut it. Marking in a circle, make a proper circle. And when keep this will need around more than 12 to 14 hours of drying. 12 hours would be enough, I guess. And here your cap is ready. So this base you can decide how long you want. The size of the cap is okay. Now once this is ready, now you can paint it, or after drying, after 12 hours of drying, you can start painting. Paintings you can use fabric colors, you can use oil paints, or to cover, if you are using newspaper, then you can cover it with plain white color paper before coloring, or you can use any color paper, whichever color do you want. You can use that, or any decoration material you can use and decorate your cap or hat or anything. If you want to mold it, you can keep it for drying like this, or like this. You can give it a shape, so it will dry in that way. Okay, now we will paint this. Now you can choose your color. I am using now oil paints. You can even use fabric colors. As I told you, you can just put one layer of color papers so that you don't have to paint it. So, take your color. It's easy to paint because you can do any type of painting on a paper. Any paints will look good on it. It is your creativity, what patterns you create, what designs you want on your hat. So once your painting is done, you let it dry for few hours, and after drying, your cap will look like this, and then you can decorate it with flowers, with a scarf, with ribbons, glitters, anything you can use, and ready to go.